our very freedom came under attack in a series of deliberate and deadly terrorist acts.
You were looking at, obviously, a very disturbing live shot there that a plane has crashed into one of the towers of the World Trade Center.
These acts of mass murder were intended to frighten our nation into chaos and retreat, but they have failed. Our country is strong.
Someone just hit. Just hit a very large plane directly over my building, and there's been another collision. You see on the shot.
Oh my.
Something else has just, and that was like a 747.